The Mixed Air Interactive Calculator determines air properties when outdoor and return air streams combine in HVAC systems. This calculator has 5 calculation modes available: mixed air temperature, mixed air humidity ratio, mixed air enthalpy, required outdoor airflow rate, and outdoor air fraction. For this demonstration, I've selected mixed air temperature. The input fields include outdoor air temperature in degrees Fahrenheit, return air temperature in degrees Fahrenheit, outdoor humidity ratio in pounds per pound, return humidity ratio in pounds per pound, outdoor enthalpy in BTU per pound, return enthalpy in BTU per pound, outdoor airflow in CFM, return airflow in CFM, mixed air temperature in degrees Fahrenheit, mixed humidity ratio in pounds per pound, total supply flow in CFM, and outdoor air fraction as a percentage. Let's walk through an example. After entering your outdoor and return air conditions along with the flow rates, click Calculate. The calculator will display your mixed air temperature, showing the resulting temperature after the 2 air streams combine. It also provides the mixed humidity ratio and mixed enthalpy, giving you complete psychrometric properties of the mixed air stream. The outdoor air fraction percentage tells you what proportion of your total supply air comes from outside. This tool eliminates manual psychrometric calculations. Find the link in the description below.